Hey, Fashion Fam, welcome to your ultimate style destination, the Kiara's channel.
Hi my cuties, it's me Anushka. Welcome back to my channel. It's another Saturday, which means it's time for a new video. And today's video, as you all know, is going to be a dresses haul from New Me, because a lot of you really wanted me to try and review New Me, so that's what we are gonna do. I have got some really cute dresses actually, and I just cannot wait to show it all to all of you. And because we have officially entered Valentine's month, I have made sure that all of these dresses are date appropriate, whether you're going for like a Valentine's, Galentine's, or a Singletine's date. I'm actually a little sick, so I might be a little low on energy today and my voice might sound nasally, but please bear with me. All the details for all the dresses will be in the description box along with the links, so do check it out. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Okay, let's start with one of my most favorite picks from today's haul, which has to be this bodycon dress right here. I love the fitting for this one. It's just absolutely perfect. This is like Skims level perfect in terms of the fit. It is true to size. The material, there's something about the material which is just absolutely perfect. It's very breathable and comfy, and it is because of the material that it's really like contouring my body, and I really like it. The only catch is that it actually came with a scarf. I'll put a picture somewhere out here, but I actually wore this dress out a few days ago and I got a lot of compliments actually, but in the midst of all that, I ended up misplacing the scarf thingy. I might have lost it, or it might still be in my flat somewhere, but I just can't seem to find it. But it's okay. Like, I'm a little disappointed, but this dress looks amazing even without the scarf. I actually prefer wearing this without the scarf, but just to assure you guys, yes, this dress does come with a scarf which looks really chic and Y2K-ish, but I love this dress. This is so date night coded also. You can wear this during the day as well if you style it with like minimal accessories. And yeah, this dress is gonna fetch you a lot of compliments for sure, because the fitting is just too good for this. I love it. This has to be one of my favorite purchases of the year so far, for sure. This is too pretty. Okay, next up, I've got this really cute pink dress. It's Valentine's month. I obviously had to get a pink dress. This is a rather simple one. It's like a plain bodycon maxi dress, but I really like simple, solid colored maxi dresses like these, because the options are endless when it comes to styling dresses like these, and the color for this one is like a little too pretty, I feel. Again, the fitting is really nice for this one, and it gives you the illusion of like an hourglass figure, and it's very comfy as well because it's not too heavy. The material is not too sticky or something, so you can wear this even during summers. If I'm not wrong, you also get this dress in a lot of other solid colors on New Me. I have one even in black, and I like that one a lot as well. Also, this is absolutely true to size. I got this in XS and it is fitting me properly, so I am really impressed. Okay, next up, I've got this really cute and pretty black mini dress, and I love it because the fitting is absolutely perfect. It's literally hitting my body in just the right places. The length is perfect. It's super comfortable, like the material is breathable and everything, and I love it. I actually saw something like this on Pinterest a few days back, and then I saw this dress on New Me, which is why I got this dress. And that's such a nice decision because this actually does look really nice. I also feel like the style of the dress is a bit Korean fashion inspired, and I feel like this dress is super versatile too, because I can style it casually and I can style it all around the year. I can wear it during summers, and I can also wear it during fall and winter with maybe like a leather jacket on top. And you know, since the past few years, I've been wearing more of maxi dresses. I don't wear short dresses that often because I don't know, sometimes I don't like the silhouettes that we get short dresses in these days, or sometimes the length is not perfect. But if my short dress, if my mini dress looks like this, I am definitely gonna start wearing mini dresses more often, because this is too cute. Like, I can imagine myself wearing this with cute sneakers, a bow in my head, with a cute black bag, and going to a coffee date or something, because this is too cute. This is making me feel like a Pookie for sure, and I love it. Okay, another black dress, but this time a floral maxi one, because again, these kind of dresses can never go wrong, and floral dresses are again something that you can definitely put your eyes on if you want to get yourself like a cute date outfit for Valentine's, Galentine's or Singletines. Again, I really like the design and silhouette for this, but I am not satisfied with the fitting at all, because I feel like I cannot breathe in this dress. Like, the fitting looks good from the outside, but I don't feel so comfortable in it because I feel like it's a little too tight for me, and that was not the case with the other bodycon dresses for sure. I got this in XS, which is my usual size, but it is definitely a little too tight for me. It was also a mess when I was trying to get inside this dress. So in case if you plan on getting this dress, I would recommend all of you to size up and get a size larger than your usual size. I mean, the fitting looks nice, but I don't want to wear something that I don't feel my most comfortable in. I need to have like freedom of movement, and I'm not feeling that in this dress. So yeah, overall verdict for this dress, it's very pretty. It looks really nice according to me. But in case if you really want to get this from New Me, go for a size larger than your usual size and you'll be sorted. Okay, lastly, I wanted to show you all this neon dress, and I know that neon is not really preferred when it comes to Valentine's Day outfits or even otherwise, because a lot of people don't really prefer neon, but this is too good for me to not share it with all of you. And this does not even look that neon. Like, it's not tacky neon, it looks good neon, if you know what I mean. And I just had to show you all this dress because I have been obsessed with this one. This is not a dress that I got recently from New Me. I've actually had this for a while, and I am so in love with this dress. I have been in love with this dress ever since I got it. I actually got this dress for like this pre-awards party that I attended. It was for Exhibit Awards. In case if you have watched this vlog right here, you might have seen me wearing this dress, and trust me, when I wore this dress to that event, I got so many compliments, and I know it looks really pretty. I feel like this is super flattering. There's something about the silhouette which is really beautiful, and I really like the ruched detail that it has got here. There's also this really hot girl coded slit, and I love any neckline which is a mix of alter neck and sweetheart, because that just looks flattering on every body type. And I feel like this dress is perfect. The length is perfect, the slit is perfect, the fitting is perfect, and every time I wear this dress, and I think I have wore this dress quite a few times already, I just feel too pretty, so I just had to share this one with all of you. And that's all for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. All the links will be in the description box, as I mentioned earlier. Let me also know which dress did you like the most in the comments below. Let me know if you want me to review any other brand like this, and I'll make sure to do that. And yeah, I'll see you again next Saturday. Until then, stay happy, stay cute, and I'll see you soon. Bye.